Once your lock is installed, you need to download the SM Lock app from the App Store onto your smart device. Then, you can set up your lock to work with your smart device. Add in all your information, including the email address or phone number, to create an account. Then check for that confirmation by SM texting from phone or email. Touch the keypad of lock, then connect with the lock where it says add the programming code. Then enter *83#. Click plus sign on the menu in the upper right corner of the app. The registration is complete where it says the lock is complete. Meanwhile, you can edit a legibility name from the door lock. Click the icon to unlock the lock. It is completed where it says the lock is unlocked. Next to the lock, and click the icon fingerprints on the app to create a user's fingerprint. Input fingerprint on the fingerprint reading area of lock according to the app instruction. Next to the lock, and click the icon IC cards of the app to create a user's card and present the RFID card on the lock. Then operation is successful. Click the icon Send e-key on the app to share permit with time limited for someone. There are 4 different codes access permission to register by usage period. Click the icon Generate passcode on the app to share code with time limit for someone. You can share the user's code by SMS, email, Messenger, WhatsApp. Click the icon Records from the app, and then you can check the access records in time. Touch the keypad, enter *12#. Enter the current programming code. The default code is 123456. Then press pound key. Now enter your new programming code. Then press pound key. Re-enter your new programming code. Then press pound key again to confirm it. Touch the keypad, enter *85#. Enter the programming code, then press pound key. Input fingerprint according to the voice instructions. A user fingerprint setting is completed where it says input successful. Touch the keypad, enter *70#. Enter the programming code, then press pound key. The fingerprint deleting is completed where it says operation successful. Touch the keypad, enter *85#. Enter the programming code, then press pound key. Present the RFID card on the lock. A user card setting is completed where it says input successful. Touch the keypad, enter *69#. Enter the programming code, then press pound key. The RFID card deleting is completed where it says operation successful. Touch the keypad, enter *85#. Enter the programming code, then press pound key. Enter the new user code, then press pound key. Re-enter the new user code, then press pound key to confirm it. The user code setting is completed where it says Input Successful. Touch the keypad. Enter *10#. Enter the current user code you want to edit, then press pound key. Enter the new user code, then press pound key. Re-enter the new user code, then press pound key again to confirm it. A user code changing is completed where it says Operation Successful. Touch the keypad. Enter *71#. Enter the programming code, then press pound key. All user cards deleting is completed where it says Operation Successful. Touch the keypad. Enter *39#. Enter the programming code, then press pound key. Press £1 for Chinese version. Press £2 for English version. And setting is completed where it says Operation Successful. Press the button on the inside of the battery cover until it says Please input initiation passcode. Then enter 000#. All data deleting is completed where it says Deleting Administrator is successful.